All right, buckle up because Microsoft just did something absolutely wild. They've officially open sourced the tool that basically kicked off the entire AI coding revolution. Yeah, I'm talking about GitHub Copilot. And it's not some half-baked open core tease. Nope, it's licensed under the MIT license. That means anyone, yes, you, can fork it, customize it, and build your very own AI coding assistant. Legally. Fully. No restrictions. But hang on. They didn't stop there. Microsoft also open-sourced WSL, Windows subsystem for Linux, which, for the uninitiated, is how you run Linux straight inside Windows, without dual boot, without a VM, without pain. Now, why is this such a big deal? Because in recent years, startups have been raking in billions by doing nothing more than remixing VS Code with AI integrations. Cursor, valued at $9 billion. Windsurf just got acquired by OpenAI for $3 billion. All they did was slap an AI model on top of a text editor and call it innovation. And Microsoft's response? Cool. You like AI coding tools? Here's the entire source code. Go build your own. Mic dropped. And yes, VS Code still rules. Void Editor is cool and all, but VS Code has been the developer default for almost a decade. So seriously, why give it away? Well, Microsoft and OpenAI, they used to be tight, Azure partners, GitHub integrations, all that. But now, OpenAI is playing solo. They launched Codex, a cloud-based coding agent that looks eerily similar to GitHub's agent mode. They're also adopting something called Model Context Protocol, integrating AI directly into Windows 11. That's not just clever, that's strategic warfare. They're trying to own the developer experience from the ground up. So what does Microsoft do? They go open source. Here's the engine. Build on top of it. Run wild. And no, don't get too excited. Copilot the service isn't free. The cost isn't in the software, it's in the compute power. AI models are GPU-hungry beasts. But by open sourcing the core, Microsoft's unlocking a new wave of innovation. Faster updates, community features, better security, and yeah, dozens of next-gen tools we haven't even imagined yet. It's also a clever way to keep momentum going after laying off thousands of engineers. And honestly, if OpenAI had waited just a few more days, they could have saved $3 billion by just cloning Copilot. Too late now. And if you're someone who knows how to code and knows how to work with AI, you're about to be 10 times more productive than everyone still stuck writing boilerplate by hand.